attention, especially all the freshers out there. This session is for you all. Freshers, the very first event for the first year students. At this day, the excitement of the student is at the peak. Today, we're going to have a small conversation with the Mr. and Miss Freshers of my batch, that is 2019-2020 batch, Vedansh and Shruti. Let me invite Vedansh and Shruti so that they can share their experience about the Freshers event.
Hi,
How are you all doing?
I'm all good. How are you?
Fine, fine. So let's start. We'll start with a short introduction of yourself.
Okay. So I'm Shruti Dhani and I'm from IT department. I'm Vedansh, and I'm from IT department as well. And I don't think we need to introduce ourselves as because we are Mr. and Mrs. Special, but okay. We've been there for the longest, okay, so I need to speak it.
Right. So we'll start with the first question. How was your experience of winning the title and about the whole event in general?
It was pretty much exciting to win a title like this because there was like a bunch of people and to stand out from them, it was a great experience after. Yeah, actually for me as well, like I was, so I had it in mind that there's this pressure thing going on, but I was like in my own world at that time, and like when I got to know that I'm Mr. Freshers and I have to do some kind of task and all that thing. So after that, when I got this Mr. Fresher title and whatever, so like I was pretty excited to be honest. So yeah, that's how it was.
Great. So our next question is, when you first received the message about the party and the competition, what were your thoughts and why did you feel like participating in the event?
So okay, um, I haven't partied properly since my board. Okay, so like I really wanted to party, and like this college only told us ki like come to our event and like there was all this thing and this session and all of that. So I was like, hell yeah, I'm going. I'm in. That's all.
You would like to say something, Shruti?
Yeah, it was a great experience. It was the first event that I actually participated
In
in.
the
The people
college.
were very nice and they were very friendly. Yeah, we got to know a lot of people. Yeah. We got to
Yeah.
know each other.
We were dancing with strangers.
Yeah.
Let's jump on to our next question. What were the few advantages or the positives that you gained by participating in the competition?
I guess all the teachers like knew us from right off the bat when we started like our college. And I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing to be honest. But yeah, it was basically it. And like everyone started knowing us, and we actually a lot of seniors also got to know us after it. It was good to get such amazing things.
Attention.
Yeah, attention, that's it.
What's your favorite memory in Atharva? Except for the decor hall.
Actually, that's our favorite memory. Apart from that, I guess becoming a Miss Fresher was itself like a great memory, I can say.
Yeah, right.
My His was definitely the night that we attended. Yeah, actually, because like I used to work in the nights like college, college like we have to do a lot of work for the event as well, right? So रात में we used to do a lot of work, like we had to do some good work and all that thing.
Yeah, the
So
boy.
yeah, I really enjoyed doing that because my friends were also there and we were having fun as well.
Yeah, the boys had the advantage of nights.
I know, right?
Next. We know you couldn't attend the actual Rhythm Fest, but you all have witnessed the preparation and the prep events. Would you like to share your thoughts, your experience about working in the committee?
Honestly, it was the first, like, it was the only event that I like woke up on my phone to just attend, like, enjoy over there and work over there. So I made like 18 to 20 posters, and to see those posters hanging near the
Going.
library and all, it was so overwhelming.
I swear, excitement.
For me, I don't know, like, how do I say this?
There, I made three posters. Okay, for I was in the decor committee.
It's a huge thing then too.
All of them were accepted.
Yeah.
Like, I was actually very bummed out about the main event not happening, but I did participate in the pre events as well. Like, I was the referee in the football event. Like, if the football is like one of our pre events, and I participated as well, and I held out with all the work. So, like,
Yeah, we were very
it was fun.
shocked for the event to get cancelled after so many.
It was so
Yeah.
sudden. It was actually very sudden.
Exactly a day prior to the event.
Yeah.
Ended.
Yeah, a day prior, I swear. What is the advice or message you would like to give to the freshers of this competition?
Just be yourself.
Just be confident.
Just confident, and the seniors will tell you to do a lot of things. Just be not be like, don't be scared of it.
We did belly
Yeah,
dancing.
I did belly dance in front of like 200 people. Maybe that's why they became
Guts.
genius.
Yeah.
So don't forget to belly dance if you want to be a Mr. Fresh.
You can also showcase your talent.
Yeah, if you are
Yeah,
good.
that's freshers is all about that only. You'll have to showcase your talent. You'll have to open up,
Yeah, yeah. That's the whole college is all about, opening up and being.
meeting new people.
And
Last, lastly, how do you feel now that you have to pass on your title?
yeah. Actually, we had it for the longest time,
Yeah,
right? For 1.5
longest time.
years. So we are pretty much excited to see that who is the next person who is taking our title. It was pretty nice to participate actually.
Yeah, actually, don't participate for Mr. Fresh and Mr. Fresh. Only participate.
Just for the
Yeah,
time.
For
Yeah,
yourself,
it's very
yeah.
fun. You get to know a lot
because
of people. You can make contact.
because in the end, even I did not know that I'm going to be Mr. Fresh, right? I was there to enjoy it. I can like enjoy my time over there.
But luckily you won.
Yeah.
Luckily, I think
No one thought so.
like,
Okay, it was fun having you. Thank you so much for joining in.
Bye bye bye.
Bye
right.
bye. So these were our Mr. and Miss Fresher ready to hand over the title. Now this is your opportunity to showcase your talent and skill. A year ago, I was at your place too, waiting for this journey to start. And trust me, this is going to be the best journey and the best roller coaster ride of your life, full of fun, knowledge, growth, and ultimate success. To conclude, I would like to ask you all the first year students to, aka the freshers, to be enthusiastic enough and participative in all the events that are going to come through. Try to be extraordinary in every case, to stand out and shine out of the crowd. So thank you all for joining in. Thank you for watching the today's session till the end. It was my pleasure to share my thoughts with you all. Waiting to see you all at the Freshers event. Thank you.